Hey, what's going on guys? It's Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to share a song on Spotify to your Instagram story. So if you're not quite sure on how to do this, then just follow these steps in the video. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead, open up your Spotify app, and then whenever you've got the Spotify app open, go ahead and find the particular song that you're wanting to share with your Instagram story. Once you're ready to share this story, what you have to do is look onto the far right hand side. You'll see 3 dots beside the particular song that you're wanting to share. Tap on the 3 dots and scroll down a little until you see the share button. Tap on the share button and then tap on Instagram. This will automatically open up in an Instagram story layout. And the cool thing that you can actually do with this is you can pinch in and out and move the album art or the song art around. You can also do all the normal stuff that you can usually do with an Instagram story post. Once you're happy enough and you want to send this to your Instagram story, just go ahead and hit send to, then tap on the share button beside where it says your story, tap on that and hit done. Then whenever you go to open up your story, you can see that has give the album art or the song art, and then in the top left hand corner you'll notice where it says play on Spotify. So if I was to tap on this, it gives me an option now to open in Spotify, and that will automatically start playing that particular song. So thank you for watching. Until next time guys, you've been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.